everyone, this is Yogi Cameron.
And I'm Yogini Jayama.
And welcome to Inspire Living. We're going to discuss the big thing in yoga, Om. Om is the first primordial sound. That's why it's so important. And it encompasses all mantras. They are within Om. So that first sound, we say the universe is made of sound and light. And that first sound, we say in yoga, was Om. That's why we give it so much importance in yoga. And it's actually the easiest mantra to remember and the easiest mantra to do, but it's not easy to master it. It takes many years to be able to say it correctly, use it correctly. But if you start to use it in your life, it has amazing effects.
So let's talk about the science of Om and why it is such a powerful mantra. When we start to work with mantra, it's the science of nada yoga, which is sound yoga. When we deal with sound, we're dealing with sound waves, and those sound waves will affect our mind and our entire body. So now let's talk about Om. When you chant Om, it produces an alpha wave within the brain. So what is an alpha wave? An alpha wave is balancing. It's a state of calm. It's the state when we're doing, before we get into deep meditation, it's the prelude to that, right? So it's that state when we lie in Shavasana after doing asanas and we feel that calm. Those are alpha waves. Chanting Om produces those alpha waves in the brain. So if you have alpha waves being produced in the brain is controlling all of the systems in the body, all the operating systems in the body. So if the alpha waves start to be produced in the brain, then that starts to permeate the entire body with calm, and it is restorative, right? So you can actually create an entire balance of body and mind by chanting Om. That's part one. Part two, Om produces 3 different sound waves. In the conscious, subconscious, and unconscious mind. And this has been read through modern science. We can, modern medical equipment. With EEGs, we can read the brain waves. And when you chant Om, you can hear there's kind of 3 syllables there. That first is a standing wave that is seen in the conscious mind. Okay, when you go into it goes into the subconscious mind, and it is a reverberating wave, right? So it's going out this way. When it goes it goes into the unconscious mind, and it is an oscillating wave, and it starts to permeate the entire infrastructure of the mind. That's the power of Om, you know? So it's funny because a lot of people ask for a mantra, you know? They want powerful mantras, and really Om is the most powerful mantra of them all, and the sound from which all of the other mantras came from.
Yeah, there's so many mantras, thousands of them, and each do various different things, or they call upon a certain energy. But within Om, you have all the energy you need. And if you just do it and repeat it and do it daily, you know, the trick is to keep doing it.
That's key, is that regularity, and that's mastering that. It has to do with regularity and continuously producing those reoccurring waves within the brain, and you can reset your brainwave patterns. If you want to get over bad habits, if you want to let go of negative patterns of thinking, of how you react and how you respond to situations, chant Om.
Yeah, and do it all the time. You don't need to, you can do it in the morning, you can do it 11 times, you can do it 108 times with your mala beads, or you can just randomly be chanting during the day.
Yeah, do it while you're sitting in traffic, do it when you're taking a break from work, you know, just constantly chant Om internally within the mind.
Yeah, I've had so many students say, but give me something more complicated, something bigger. And I say, well, the power of the universe is within Om. There isn't anything bigger.
What more could there be?
So I hope that really helps you out, but really it's all in the practice, not in the theory. So get practicing, enjoy Om, and then start to tell us, all about it.
What your experiences
Yeah, what your experiences are, because you won't be the same person if you keep chanting Om. Namaste.
Namaste.
Have a beautiful practice.